When you calculate a derivative, you're trying to understand how quickly a curve is changing at a given point. For example, in this curve, we could calculate the rate of change, or slope, at the green point by finding the slope of the tangent line, which is a line that grazes the curve at that point. As a reminder, the slope can be thought of as rise over run. So calculating the derivative of this curve, x squared minus 3, gives us 2x, and that's the equation for the slope of the tangent line at some point x. For example, when x equals -4, we end up with a value of -8 as our derivative at that point, which is large and negative. Compare this to the value at -3, and you get a smaller negative rate of change. At x equals 0, we end up with a flat tangent line with 0 slope. Or if we have a positive x value like 3.5, we end up with a larger positive rate of change.